Good evening for everyone. My name is Jaider Gómez, and today I am going to expose about you. I am going to record this video about the task number 5 in this didactic of social science. Okay, first of all, today I am going to share you about the application of social science in classroom, and the topic of the lesson is the reflection regarding to use of social science in the language of classroom. We have here a short introduction, and this introduction is about education, about the social science. But the most important in this case is to show you that we have the lesson description. The lesson description has 3 steps or stages. The first one is at this stage we have the presentation where we will analyze how social classes are taught in English, the elements that contribute to such teachings, and how we can improve this process. The second is the practice stage, and in this practice stage we will do where the idea, okay, in this step is where the idea, okay, in this case is about the idea is to propose innovate pedagogical strategies for learning science, understand the standards of the National Ministry of Education, I mean at English citizen skills, and the way in which we can improve these processes. Okay, next we have the third stage, and this is the production. Yes, on the third step we have the production, where the idea is to share a small description in opinion of everything or about everything previously analyzed. Right, in this case people are going to write a reflection of 300 words about the points covered in the practice and in the presentation. Okay, so this reflection is bearing in mind the stage of presentation and the practice stage. Okay, so it's very simple because in the presentation of the stage we start with the guiding questions. For example, how with the social science, taught foreign languages, what non-descriptive element contribute to the teaching of science. Yes, we have a specific purposes that investigated the teaching of science, or describe some or non-descriptive element that contribute to the teaching of the social science in foreign languages. Okay. Okay, in this practice is bear in mind that the previous objective, the students, the teacher, or everyone has written or has taken this lesson plan, they are going to think, giving opinions or something like that, right? In this case is the writing production, where they need to write about the previous work. Okay, in the conclusion, in this case, in this time of in our conclusion, we will show that the bilingual training of the social science is a pedagogical work, because we need to understand that it's a pedagogical work where this is not only to translate from one language to other, but to recognize the intercultural training within the area. And it is also about the building ways of living. About a building better ways of living in a society that requires thinking from the study of the human and the communicating for linguistic knowledge. Yes? Okay, this is about that. And finally, for closing this activity, to close this lesson plan is that we are going to have a small quiz. A small quiz we made, where the idea is that the person who applied it can understand key questions based on their ideas and point of view. Yes, these questions will allow us to understand if the lesson plan was clear and allow to clarify not only doubt but also reflect on the use of social science and its needs in classroom. Yes, so this conclusion is to understand of the topic, and the closing is a little questionnaire or quiz aims to know our opinion or some opinions about the area of social science study in their teaching in classroom. Yes, for example, we have the number one. Do you consider that learning in social science has been significant for your training? Yes, it's personal or academic. If the person answer is yes, they need to answer why, but maybe you can say always, sometimes, or never. Okay. And for example, we have the last one. Do you think that your command of the English language meets your own expectations in as for your academic and a personal training, that is for your teacher, that for you teachers or other managers? Yes, if your answer is affirmative, please explain why, or maybe they can understand always, sometimes, and never, right? This is the lesson planned about the reflection regarding of the use of social science in language classroom. Thank you so much, and I hope that this is good for you and you can understand all this amazing topic. God bless you.